There may be rare occasions where you want to reset a unit or a group of units. For example, you want to use them elsewhere, or you want to completely change the configuration and it's easier to start from scratch. So in this event, you would go into Manager mode and open up the Units table. And at the right hand end of the Units table are these little icons in the shape of a rubbish bin or a trash can. And you can click on these to decide what to reset. So if I click on the slave unit, it gives me the option, do I really want to delete the unit of this serial number? If I was to click on OK, it would go away and remove all the configuration data just from that unit. But I want to reset the whole network in this instance. So I'm going to click on the gateway. And it gives me several options. I can reset just the gateway, or I can do a normal reset, which is to reset the gateway and all of the connected devices on the same powerline network. If I do a factory reset, that does the reset of all the units as before, but it also removes the background image. In this instance, I don't want to remove the background image, so I'm just going to do a normal reset. Again, it asks me if I'm sure, and then it begins the process of disconnecting all of the connections, and you might be able to see them disappearing from the screen. It then removes all the configuration data, and gradually the system then begins to acquire the units again and relearn about them. But now the icons are appearing in their default positions on the screen. That's the gateway unit that's reappeared. It will take a few more seconds for the connected unit to appear. It's now appeared on the unit table. The icons haven't yet appeared, but they will shortly arrive. And gradually the unit table will be repopulated with the correct serial number and the correct numbers for all the other parameters that are displayed. And now you can see that both units have reappeared. If I want to get rid of these messages, I can either just wait a little while, or I can just press refresh on my browser and that will get rid of them. But in this case, what I want to do is to recall another configuration. So in Manager mode, as in the previous video, I click on the TerOpta logo, click on the relevant configuration file, open, confirm on OK, and then as you can see, the GUI will then start to repopulate the image as it was before, with the icons in the right places and also with the right connections. And so once that's finished, I'll be back to where I started again.